Hello my friends, welcome to Kids Study Station. Today we are going to learn phonics sound of vowel I. So let's start. There are two phonics sound for the vowel I. The first one is long sound I. The first sound is I. And the second one sound is, it's a short sound, that is E. E. Two phonic sounds, I and E. Let's see few of the examples of these sounds. Pin. E. Pin. Bin. E. Bin. Pie. I. Pie. Dive. I. Dive. Let's read some more words. First, short sound words. Pin. Bin. Sin. Tin. Fin. Thin. Ship. Dip. Win. Kin. Now long sound words. Die. Lie. Pie. Line. Shine. Bride. Like. Dive. Wine. Pride. Excellent. Today we learned phonic sound of vowel I. In the next lesson, we are going to learn letter blending with I vowel. So we'll meet in the next lesson to learn letter blending. But till, bye.